Well, welcome back to Chinaron. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the belt on your belt sander. I had a little project I was doing with some plaster Paris, and it kind of clogged the belt all up. The belt was junk anyhow. It was time to replace it, but I definitely won't make that same mistake on this one. So I'll zoom in here a little bit and show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is really easy, is this lever right here. When you release that lever, it takes a lot of the slack off the belt itself. So go ahead and do that. Next, on the left-hand side of the machine, there is a 14mm bolt. You want to go ahead and you want to loosen that. On the right hand, there's a 10mm. Just go ahead and loosen that one. You don't have to take them right out, just loosen them up. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow you to pull off this little table and get that out of the way. What you want to do is you want to remove this little cover here. So basically it just snaps in there, so just go ahead and take a screwdriver and pull that right out. You should be able to just slide that belt right out of there. Just like your new belt, which is the 4x36, and I'm using the medium grit. And just reverse the process. Slide that on. I'm going to start with the bottom first. There we go. Go ahead and release the lever so it puts tension on it. All right, we'll come back to this here in a little bit. Now we need to go ahead and put that side cover back. Snap it back in. Before we put the little bench here back on, you want to turn it on, and you want to make sure that the belt is aligned. And with that new belt, it's not aligned. So what you want to do is you want to turn this nut until the belt is riding in the center. You may have to come back and adjust that as the belt starts to wear in. Okay, now we can go ahead and put the shelf on. Just the way we took it off. What we're going to do first is we're just going to snug it ever so slightly because we want to make sure that that's level. On the shelf itself, what I do is I just take my square and I'll set it on the shelf and I'll kind of bring it up there like that and square it up that way. Once you've done that, then you can go ahead and snug it up really good. That side, then like that. There you have it, not too overly complicated. Just keep in mind that you may have to go back and adjust the belt as the belt gets worn into the machine itself. I paid about 14 bucks or so at Lowe's for this. I've seen these online for like, I think you can get 6 of them for like 18 bucks. So they're all over the board, and depending on what you're looking for grit. So I hope this helps you with your Craftsman belt sander, and stay tuned for the next one.